Hi, my name's Poppy. I want to have something fun to do today. Let's think. I know! I can go bowling. I need some friends though, right? Right, let's go. Here we go. Beep beep. Whee! Beep beep! Biggie! Hi Poppy! What are we doing today? I thought we could go bowling! Yeah, I'm up for that. Hey Mr. Tinkles! How are you today? Meh. We ready? Let's go! Whee! Beep beep! Smidge! Hi Poppy! What are we doing today? We want to go bowling! Yeah, come bowling with us, Smidge! Oh my god! This is going to be so fun! Let's go! Whee! Let's get our last friend. Beep beep! Cloud Guy! Hey, how's it going, Poppy? I'm good. Poppy! Hey! Up high, Dumpy Diapers. What are we doing today? Well, we want to go bowling. Want to come? Yeah, sure. That sounds like fun. Hey guys, let's pick our teams for bowling. Me, pick me. Okay, Cloud Guy. So, Cloud Guy is going to be on my team, Poppy's team. And let's have Biggie and Smidge. So, me and Cloud Guy, we're going to be the red team. And Biggie and Smidge, you guys be the blue. Yay! My favourite colour's blue. Yay! Okay, so I say let Poppy go first. Okay, my turn. This is my go, Poppy's team. Wow, I got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Poppy gets 4. Hey Poppy, that was awesome. High five. And now it's the blue team's go. Me. Okay, Biggie, let's go. Okay, let's get lots of pins down. Wow, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 down. Yay! Hey Biggie, you got 4 too. That's awesome. High five. Now it's a red team's go. That's me. That's Cloud Guy. Hey Dumpy Diapers, my go. I did it. Let's see how many I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8. Woo! Yay! Hugs! Well done, Cloud Guy. You got 4 the first time, then you got 8. That makes 12. Woo! Okay, so now let's see what the blue team can do. I think it must be... It's my go. I'm on the blue team. That's right, Smidge. So let's go. Let's go for the blue team. Oh my god. Wow! I nearly got them all. So let's check. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Woo! Hey Smidge, you were awesome. I know. I just got Well, let's check. I got 4 the first time and then I got 9. So let me see. That makes 13. So which team won? I know. It was your team. The blue team won. Yay! What a fun day we had bowling. Thank you guys for coming with me. It was so much fun. Yay!